yellow with you here, though. It's all black and white, right? This is a photo. We are blessed for the world premiere of Transformers. In just a bit. But right now, we're just getting ready to see some of our friends join us here from the world premiere of Transformers Rise of the Beast. And of course, we have our director, Stephen Capel Jr., the cast, Anthony Ramos, Dominic Fishback, Toby and Wigway, and producer... Well, we cannot tell you what happens in any of that, but you know what? I think you're going to really enjoy the film. As a matter of fact, you're a fan, so to go along with Optimus Prime, we're going to give you an official movie poster from Rise of the Beast. So enjoy, and have fun tonight. All right, let's chat some more fans here. We've got a fan here who's got a toy collection. What's your name? Aloysius. Aloysius, why are you so shy right now? I was talking to you earlier, Aloysius. You're chatting to me about Transformers. You're so excited. So, Aloysius, this is your girlfriend here, right? What's your girlfriend's name? Ching-Hoon. Now, Aloysius and Ching-Hoon. Now, Ching-Hoon, are you a fan of Transformers? Aloysius says she will be. I like that. Will you be? Probably. A discussion is going to be had after this world premiere between Aloysius and Ching-Hoon. We're not going to be involved in that discussion, but hopefully it goes well for Aloysius. Anyway, so I want to ask you, what is your, you're obviously a fan of Transformers with the Legacy Evolution here, collection in your bag. Very big force in this film. And the first time we're seeing him in a live action film as well. So this is going to be exciting. All right, we got a prize right here. Maybe you can share this with Ching-Hoon, a poster, official movie poster from Transformers Rise of the Beast. Congratulations. All right, guys, we're going to walk down the red carpet here. We've got some friends, international friends, that'll be joining us very soon. Very color coordinated here. Beautiful bright green and black and orange. Fantastic. Coming to the red. Transformers fan here? You? Okay. What's your name? Benzo. Okay. What are you most excited about with Rise of the Beast?
Watching, and that's my experience. Working for the longest time.
Fantastic. This is going to be an amazing experience for you then, because as you can tell by the design of Maximus Primal, it looks awesome. The Maximals as a whole, this is going to be amazing. What about you?
I think I'm really excited to see what Mirage brings to the show.
Did you take a picture next to Mirage right there?
Yeah, I'll do it soon.
You need to take a picture with Mirage. What about you?
Definitely the visual effects. So I'm so excited. I saw the trailer and I was blown away. So I'm so excited.
All right, and you?
All the action that's going on.
All the action. Okay, who's your favorite Transformer?
Bumblebee.
Bumblebee. People love Bumblebee, and I can understand why. What are you thinking? What's your most exciting thing about the movie?
I was gonna say Bumblebee, but she took my Bumblebee.
Okay, it's okay. Bumblebee's a fan favorite right here. And you?
Looking forward to see your programs.
All right, well, there we got it. Here's our friends from Singapore. Gather around for a photo real quick. We're here for the world premiere of Transformers Rise of the Beast. Magnitude launching worldwide right here in Singapore. Of course, later on we'll be meeting the director Stephen Caple Jr. and the cast, Anthony Ramos, Dominic Fishback, Toby Wigway, and of course the producers Lorenzo Di Bonaventura and Mark Labradian will be with us in a short bit. Ladies and gentlemen, they will be here for the world premiere of Transformers Rise of the Beast. And those of you who are just sitting here from the stairs and around Marina Bay Sands, tonight, Bumblebee? All Bumblebee fans, 100%. Okay, what do you most... There's no yellow with you here though. It's all black and white, right? Okay, that's okay. So, what are you most excited about? Of course, to see Bumblebee in this film, but what else are you excited about to see in Rise of the Beast?
Obviously, I'm excited to see the new characters in the Beast.
The Maximals. And the Beast, yes indeed. Of course, coming from Beast Wars, of course we have the Maximals joining us here. So why don't you guys make your way off the stage here? And because we have a little bit of raindrops coming on right now. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, the gods of weather bestowed upon us a rainbow across Marina Bay Sands. A beautiful rainbow after the showers. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a photo. We are blessed to have this for the world premiere of Transformers Rise of the Beast. The Autobots have succeeded, and now we have a rainbow. Unicron has now gone back into the galaxy. Earth is safe, and the rainbow signifies we are safe as well. Ladies and gentlemen, it is about that time when our cast and producers and director will be making their way on the red carpet right now. I've just got word. They have just started to arrive here at the Art Science Red Carpet in just a few moments' time for the world premiere of Transformers: Rise of the Beast right here at Marina Bay Sands. Ladies and gentlemen, here we are with the producers of Transformers: Rise of the Beast, Lorenzo Di Bonaventura and Mark Baradian. And the director, Stephen Capo Jr. And please, the producers, director, and our cast are now making their way on the red carpet for the world premiere of Transformers: Rise of the Beast. Producers, Lorenzo Di Bonaventura and Mark. That was it. Let's do a photo op here. We're gonna come together one more time. Transformers Rise of the Beast opens up island-wide June 8th. Tickets go on sale. Continue the red carpet interviews in a few minutes' time. Thank you so much.